Well, it's been fair week for the last couple weeks here, folks, and we've been just struggling to get stuff done, but we did manage to get our hands on some aluminum dock decking to try to fix the old dock bridge that we have 48 feet on each side going across a creek that we use to access some of our lower property with our lighter vehicles. And we were able to pick up some of this aluminum decking that, slides, together on these little, like rails, and can fit universally most metal docks that are older. And yeah, it was a little bit of a chunk of change. We spent about $1,000 getting this stuff, but we need to do something, folks, because the old wood, dock panels are just rotted out. The cedar just, we put that dock in about 2009, 2010, and it's 2026 now, so 16 years later, and I don't know how many coats of stain. We just haven't been able to keep that wood from rotting away. So we're going to try these. We know these may not hold up to the gators perfectly when driving on them, but anything is better than what we got right now, where you literally could fall through and crack through a board. So we're going to slide these down. It equally spaces them on, and we're going to try to get these things built and put them on, and kind of put the dock to kind of a low maintenance kind of thing. And again, it's a bridge dock for us. It's one section that's 48 feet long and then another section 48 feet long put together side by side, so that we can access kind of our back area where we hunt. There's one of the panels completed. It looks nice. Perfect? No. Will it fit as tight as the wood? Probably not. Will they slide around a bit because they're a little lighter? Sure, they might. We can always attach them down later. But right now, we just got to try. We got to try to see if we can put these in place and see how they work. We built a whole pile of them. Got it done the best we can. Sat here in the garage floor in the heat and just kind of measured them out and put them together here, and they went together pretty smooth. Took out the old ones. You can see the stain marks there on the metal. There's, halfway through the process, the one end is open, the wood was still in the middle. That was just about when we were done and had it done. You can see our dirty footprints. It's so muddy. And then this is kind of the finished day. We've got it in place. So now I can take, the lawnmowers and stuff back across and, get work done on the other side. The ramp is still wood, but it's holding up good, and the other side's got some wood on it too with railroad ties as it connects in. But it's looking great, folks. Hopefully it'll hold up for years to come this way.